Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? Today is August 28th, 2021, and the market is officially closed. Let's check out the charts and see if they can give us any signals for what could potentially happen next week. If you liked the previous content, make sure you give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll get access to all of the future content. And thank you to everyone who has shared. Let's jump to these charts. S&P closed at 4509.37. Record high is 4513.33. And we have hit our target at 4500. So what we're going to do is monitor how the price reacts around that 4500 level to see what our new target price could be. The trend has continuously moved higher, and we've had no disruptions, and we've just closed near record highs again. So the chances of us moving higher is, you guessed it, high. So we're going to just move along from this one. Nothing to see here. S&P has continuously moved strong. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell, ticker I, as long as I can get my hands on the keys right, IWM. IWM closed at 226.41, and we still have the same record high, 234.53. So what we have been paying attention to is the 20-day moving average forming some form of resistance. What we've gotten now is a boost. Our 200-day moving average has come in and helped the price move higher. This is something that we have had on our radar, that when that 200-day got closer, we had the potential for a bounce, and we did just that. It hit, and now it has cleared that 20-day moving average. That close at 226.41 should be a good sign for next week for us to continuously move and hopefully test out that 230. And if it does get to 230, we might have liftoff. So that is the Russell, ticker IWM. Let's go ahead and check out the Dow. Dow closed at 35,455.80 cents. Record high is 35,631.19 cents. That's not too far off from the record high. Now, last week I had some concern because we had doji candles, and that is a signal of indecision. Well, we got decisive, didn't we? We got a nice green candle, and we bounced off of its 20-day moving average as well. So we are close to those record highs, and as you can see, the trend here is strong too. So we might continue to move on. The market has made its decision that it does not want to stop, and I'm okay with that. Trust me. That is the Dow. Now let's check out the Nasdaq. Nasdaq closed at 15,432.95 cents. Record high is 15,447.3 cents, and that record high was recently made with this market close. So we closed near highs, and you do not have to be a rocket scientist in order to do this stuff. If you close near the highs, chances of continuation are high. I want to continue to preach that because that's a very basic principle that is not fully understood when it comes to the market. A lot of people think that when things close high, that things are automatically just going to reverse and knife down, and that is not the case. We've got a nice strong trend in the Nasdaq. We've made that record high. We're likely going to continue on. So this is a very simple recording to make today. I have nothing to look at because everything is moving in the right direction. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's going to be on any social media as well. It's going to be at Wincrease Team. I want you to enjoy your weekend. It's supposed to be a nice one where I'm at. Hopefully it's a nice one where you're at too. Get out there, get you some sun, spend some time with some people you love, and make some memories. We'll catch you next week, all right? Peace.